I miss you so much. Do you remember the story? Oh, Little Rabbit Foo Foo. And you know who is she? And do you remember what she said to the Little Rabbit Foo Foo? Can you tell me? Oh, I remember. She said, Little Rabbit Foo Foo, I don't like your attitude, skipping up the field mud and bumping on the head. I will give you 3 chances to try. If you don't, I will turn you into a goonie with the magic word. Do you want to be a good fairy? So now, today, let's make the magic word.
Okay, to make the magic wand, what you need: a ruler, a scissor, glue stick, some glue stick with glitter. The shiny paper, you cut it into the small triangle like this. Some button, glitter, felt tip, and color pencil. So today I will make Elsa magic wand. So I will use blue ribbon, some star sticker. So now let's get started. Get a 1 plate paper. You just poke a half like this. We make a star now. Get a pencil, make the 3 dots like triangle. So use a ruler to connect the dots. 1, 2, and 3 lines. So now you need your scissor to cut it out. Here you have the 2 triangle with the same side. Yeah, you can make it like a star. The other way to draw a star. Here I have the blank paper. Pop a half like the last time. So now get a pencil. Let's it slow. You curly the paper line like this. Now you color your star with any color you like. I like blue, so I color my star is blue. How about you? What color do you like? You put a lot of blue at the back of the star. Then get a stick. You also put a lot of blue both of side of the stick like this. Put it in the middle. Use the other star. Just like it. properly. The curly paper, you can stick it here. See? And the other side. Oh, you can do ribbon to tidy up, make a bow here. If you don't have ribbon, that's fine. Children, you can decorate your magic wand with any material you can find at home. See how it works. Here is the scissor. Abracadabra! Oh, let's try one more time. Abracadabra! Wow!
Friend, can you tell me what material you make your magic wand? I hope you enjoy it. Hope to see you soon. Bye, butterfly.